everyone, welcome to DIECAST Beast YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you this beautiful Tomicarama. So this is Tomica Limited Vintage Diorama. So this is a typical car park. I think this was released early this year, around April, May. I can't remember the exact month, but Tomica Limited Vintage, Tomica, they have done this same Tomicarama before as well, a couple of years back, and it was selling for high dollars in eBay and other reseller stores. But I'm glad they have decided to do this again, and finally I managed to grab two because I wanted to set two car parking slots together and make a bit sort of a bigger car parking area. But at this stage I'm gonna build only one. I'm gonna leave the other one in my TLVN box to unbox later when I have a permanent place to showcase. Okay, so this is the first time I'm doing a Tomicarama in my life. Okay, before I open, so here's the car parking slot, Tomicarama 3B. So I assume this is their second release, that's why they put B. 1:64 scale, and everything else is in Japanese. And yep, on the sides as well, pretty cool. And on the back you can see all those pieces, what you have in here, all those stuff. Pretty cool. Let's open it. Okay, as I expected, everything is very well packed and nicely done. Alright, Tomica Limited Vintage, Tomica, they are doing everything to the maximum quality. That's what I believe on them. Let's put this aside. So here's the manual or the guide. Again, let's cut this open. Okay, so this is a sticker card, I assume, or just a normal paper. I'm not sure. I think it's a sticker card. Anyway, let's keep it aside. And here's the manual. This is how you have to fix all the parts. Okay, let's make some room here. Alright, I'm pretty sure I would be able to repack it as it is, but I don't have any intention to pack it again. Let's unpack everything first. Wow, good job. Everything is very well packed. Right, let's move these aside. Okay, you got two base plates. I think these are the fence, part of the fence. Light fittings, parking signs. I think this is to merge these ones, I guess. And we just had hats, and let's see. All right, first these two. How are you gonna fit this? All right, I assume this is the way. I know there's a manual, but nobody's gonna look at the manual in this Stone Age, but there you go. So it's pretty easy. That's the easiest part of this, I guess. Yep, I think this is supposed to be the entrance and the exits. All right, We'll leave that one. Let's open the fence. Alright, so I believe this is the correct way to install these, or the other way. Yes, the other way. Alright, that's the back one. This is pretty easy than I thought. Okay, how you gonna get rid of these ones? I think I'm using my hobby knife. The 3 lights, I suppose. So there are 3 holes on the base, so I assume that's where you're gonna put these ones. Yes. All right. Next one. What's this? All right. I think this is. Is there anything we have to place on the other side? I don't believe there's a small hole. I'm not sure why it's there. Let's check. This one there. All right. These 3 here. Okay, I think these ones are, if we are gonna combine 2 or 3 Tomicaramas together, this yep, this will helpful. This will be helpful. Yep, I don't know. All right, let's leave that one for now. And again, if you want to make these ones permanent way, just put some hobby glue here and stick these ones, but all right with this temporary setup at this stage. All right, here's the witches hats. All right, nicely done. Small witches hats. Let's open. Even you don't need a hobby knife. It's just simple push would do. See, easy. Well done. If you guys know, I moved houses recently and I still can't remember how I assembled my new TV stand and computer table and stuff. So it gave me a nightmare. It took so much time, and just like there were like heaps of screws to put together. Oops. All right, these ones are to stick here. All right, I know most of the people haven't done that one. I checked few unboxing videos in YouTube, but nobody did this stuff. But I'm gonna do that because we need glue, bit of glue, hobby glue, and stick in places. All right, first I'm gonna remove these ones from these main plastic frame, and then all right guys, I'm gonna glue these small stuff in these spots. I'm gonna do something stupid here. I don't have any super glue or stuff, so I'm gonna use clear craft glue. Let's see whether it would work or not. Okay, everyone, I glued all these what do you call, curbs into the base. Looks fantastic. And these are the witches hats. I'm not sure I need all these in my parking area, but for the moment let's keep them like this. And for the final step, there's the signboards. I'm pretty sure it says parking because there's the universal parking sign. I'll leave that as it is. And this is I'm not sure, it says telephone, so should be the safety or police telephone number 0000000. Anyway, I'll leave it like this. That'll do. That's done. So it's complete. Tomicarama parking bay. Beautiful, very good quality. Oops, it's a bit difficult to. Alright, I'll leave it like that for now. There you go. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. So I bought this one from Amy website. So they are Tomica Limited vintage resellers based in Japan. So they post to Australia, even though during the pandemic period they use DHL. So if you are a Tomica Limited vintage fan, go to Amy website, or maybe there are so many other resellers as well. Hobby Search, Hobby Link, all sort of type of resellers, and there are a few resellers in Hong Kong as well. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll put all these links to those resellers on the description space. So, and please don't forget to subscribe me, like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you with another video soon. Bye.